In Salesforce, compact layouts help organize essential record details. Here, all necessary fields are neatly organized. But only the first 6 fields are shown in the highlight panel. Frustrating. But fear not. There's a solution to this dilemma. Introducing the PSC record page header component, your ultimate savior in the Salesforce saga. After installation, simply locate the component in the list of managed components and drop it in as a replacement for the standard highlights panel. Just like that, your Salesforce experience is transformed, with all your desired fields highlighted and accessible at your fingertips. With the PSC record page header component, customization is key, and your Salesforce records have never looked better.